Saved by the Bell Graduation Special is sponsored in part by Coca-Cola Classic. Always the real thing. Always Coca-Cola.
First things first.
Before the hair, before the makeup, before there's beautiful skin. CoverGirl introduces new Clearly Different Deep Cleansing Face Wash. Clearly different. It cleans deep, yet cares for your skin to thoroughly foam away dirt, oil, even makeup, leaving your skin clean, fresh, clearly beautiful. Discover the skin-caring difference of new Clearly Different Deep Cleansing Face Wash.
First things first.
From the new CoverGirl Clean Skincare Collection, where naturally beautiful skin begins.
5 ounces of milk make every 3/4 ounce Kraft single taste better. How do they do that?
See? They take the slice and make it into a rocket. Then they shoot it to the Milky Way. And when it gets back, it's busted with milk.
More milk means better taste. And every 3/4 ounce Kraft single is made from 5 ounces of milk. Unlike imitation cheese made mostly with oil and water.
It looks like the moon.
Milk makes Kraft singles taste better.
K-R-A-F-T. Want me to tell it again?
It's NBC's Big Event Sunday. First, the ultimate matchup, Jordan and the Bulls. Ewing in the mix, the NBA playoffs on NBC. Then, millions witness the historic Cheers finale.
Hello, everyone.
Now, bring the family and see it again. The encore presentation, Cheers, The Last Call. And see Tim Daly in a performance Newsweek calls great. You know how it ended. Now see how it began. Ambush in Waco, a Big Event Sunday. The NBA playoffs, Cheers, Last Call Encore. Ambush in Waco, all on NBC.
We got do's, we got don'ts, things we use, things we won't. To wash this face, it's widely known. Use Oxy's new Residone. Residue is a don't, that soapy goo, that oily foam, that stuff's taboo in Residone. A ticket to a cleaner zone.
The cleaner your face, the less zits to execute.
Residone is a do.
The only don't that's a do.
Residone is a do.
A bizarre crime has been committed. The public flabbergasted. Cops battle. To John Q. Public, I say the scene is awful. Carnage, mayhem, despair, anarchy. The cool spots have been kidnapped, and only one spot is left to save his cohorts. He'll need your help. Make no mistake, you'll encounter crab-wearing underwear, demented cheese-slinging pajama mice, teeth with no head. But remember, that little cool spot is out there somewhere. You may be all he's got. Cool spot on Sega Genesis.
Whatever happened to the Coppertone Girl, or Mikey, or the Jack-in-the-Box Kid? See them all grown up on the next DT. Monday at 7:30 on TV4.
It's your chance to talk to Mo Vaughn of the Boston Red Sox when he joins Ask the Athlete on Sports Final, Sunday night at 11:35 on WBZ-TV 4.
I'm a...
Do you remember the feeling of wonder? Bring back the smile to the child inside of you. Touch the magic, touch the world that you once knew. From the heart, SeaWorld touches you.
Fresh Prince Blossom Hour, the hottest hour of TV this season.
Amen.
Monday, don't miss the chance to see their very first episode.
Yo, this better than Love Boat.
See the Fresh Prince's first day in Bel Air.
You certainly have grown, Will. Well, we all have.
And before, there was a... Wow. The first episodes of The Fresh Prince and Blossom, NBC Monday.
Hey, don't even think about touching that remote. That's right, because over the summer, Zach and I decided to go to college together. It's going to be great. Don't forget me, I'll be there too. So hang with us, we're going to college right now.
So you're single.
Never again.
This one was a joke. As usual. It'll take time.
So what's new?
Well, now Great Lash comes in waterproof. New waterproof Great Lash. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline.
It's for the best.
Hollywood Pictures invites you to take a journey out of this world and into another dimension with the Super Mario Brothers. On May 28th, the adventure begins. Super Mario Brothers, rated PG, parental guidance suggested.
Johnny was in the kitchen when he noticed his mother with a really weird grin. See, that day, she found the classic good humor bars in her supermarket, and she was transported back to her childhood with delicious memories of
chocolate eclair, strawberry shortcake, toasted almonds, and chocolate candy crunch.
Johnny was curious. He took a bite, and all of a sudden, Johnny was transported too! Good humor. The name will take you back. The taste will take you away.
A hot new peanut just rode into town with a spicy taste that's getting everybody all fired up.
Got some more. Maybe you ought to practice with mild.
Try new Planters Heat in mild and hot.
You must evacuate immediately.
Witness the courage of ordinary people who became heroes in the face of fury.
It's aiming right at us.
We're gonna be okay. NBC presents the Hurricane Andrew story, Monday.
Top that, Bon Jovi!
It's a Saturday Night Live challenge from host Danny DeVito to musical guest Bon Jovi. Don't miss it.
The final Cheers Encore at 7, 6 Central, NBC Sunday.
Ocean Spray Refreshers. Adults finally have a juice drink all their own. No more sticky, sweet kid stuff. Refreshers are different. The taste is crisp, light, never too sweet.
This is different.
In 3 flavors adults love.
Not too sweet. At last.
Go for it, you grown-ups. Try Ocean Spray Refreshers juice drinks. Not too sweet taste for adults.
The stories that shaped New England, Monday at 6 on Channel 4.
In a world of flat chips, what do you call crunchy baked shells surrounding smooth, creamy fillings? Role models. See why combos taste better? What do you call a crunchy baked tortilla filled with creamy nacho cheese? Nacho ordinary tortilla. New nacho tortilla combos. See why combos taste better?
We got do's, we got don'ts. Things we use, things we won't. To wash this face, it's widely known. Use Oxy's new Residone. Residue is a don't. That soapy goo, that oily foam, that stuff's taboo in Residone. A ticket to a cleaner's own.
The cleaner your face, the less zits to execute.
Residone is a do.
The only don't that's a do.
Residone is a do.
What, you may ask, is going on? Millions of otherwise ordinary people suddenly disappearing. There's only one answer. A national Big Mac attack
And here's why. For a limited time, when you buy a Big Mac at the regular price, you get a second Big Mac for just 25 cents. It's all for Big Mac's 25th anniversary. Remember, buy a Big Mac at the regular price, get a second Big Mac for just 25 cents.
What you want is what you get at McDonald's today.
Next, all Harry wants is a quiet night at home. But he's going to get something he never expected.
We got you, babe.
Empty Nest season finale, NBC Next. Tonight, Paul and Jamie recreate the romance of their wedding day.
Been married a million years. Does your wedding album go platinum?
Mad About You, the season finale, NBC tonight.
Hey, it's too bad for Zach, huh, Screech?
Yeah, but he'll get another chance.
That's right, because we're going prime time.
Every Tuesday night.
Saved by the Bell, the college years. This fall on NBC.
In a hurry? Pressed for time? A lot on your plate? An hour of things to do and only half an hour to do them? At Wendy's, we have 5 fresh salads for people like you. Deluxe garden and grilled chicken salads with a soft breadstick, taco salads, and we make them fresh every day because that's the way they're best. So if you only have a second, hurry to Wendy's for a salad. They're fresh, fast, and ready to go. Have a nice day.
Got a thirsty sound, it's about to make it big. Try an iced tea cooler, it's new from Gatorade, so take a tea. Gatorade, time out, take a tea. You know your body needs it when you've got a thirst, so take a tea.
New Gatorade Iced Tea Cooler flavor explodes with refreshing lemon taste and puts back the fluids and minerals you need 30% faster than water. So when you've got a big thirst, take a tea. New Gatorade Iced Tea Cooler.
Take a tea, the rain thirst quencher for the deep down body thirst.
Should teachers be allowed to date their students? It's a raging debate, and some schools don't have rules against it. Student-teacher affairs on an all-new Dateline NBC, Tuesday.
And now, a moment with Paul Reiser and Helen Hunt.
The TV season is almost over. No more for a while. We are through. We are out of here. Finito. Gone fishing.
You gone fishing?
All right, well, we're out of here and finito.
A Mad About You season finale is on later tonight.
Thank you.